Hi, how you doing today? I am Ryan and I am here to show you my Molle panels that I got in the mail. I ordered from Datin Metal Fab out of Idaho, and I got the Molle panels for the center console on the 2021 Chevy Colorado ZR2 Bison. I'm pretty excited for these. So I ordered them. They came. I popped off the driver's side panel already. It's pretty easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 clips just to pop off. Came off nice and easy. So here these are. Let me get these open. And they're wrapped nice. Nice. There's one. There's the hardware packet. More stickers. And the other side. So I went ahead and checked out the installation on it. Looked pretty self-explanatory. So I am going to line these up, drill the holes that I need, get them attached, and pop the panels back on. I'll let you know how it went, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. So the Datin Metal Fab Molle panels, center console, 2021, which I believe is second generation Colorado. So, see you in a bit. All right, so I got her laid out. Got the holes in there. I drilled through first with just a starter bit. Then I went through with a bigger bit, the correct one. I did 17/64. The bolt's a 1/4 inch basically, so just slightly bigger than what I needed. And it's pretty simple. Once you got it laid out and the holes drilled, you got your bolts, your spacers, a washer, nylon nut, 4 of them per side. I got both sides, so there's 8. So pretty simple. Put it through. Spacer. Right through the hole. Washer. Nut. It's one. That was pretty easy. So, if you want to bear with me for a second, I'll get these on. Or actually, I think I'll just skip right here. Takes a 4mm Allen wrench and a 11mm open end wrench. So let's get it on there, tighten it up, snap it in, we're done. So I'm gonna finish this one, take out the other side, get that one laid out, and we'll show you the final thing and we're done. So see you in a bit. All right, so they're all in, both sides. I'll show you. There's that one. I got a Leatherman Raptor on there and my everyday carry knife. On that side, probably put something else there. And the passenger side, got that in there. I got my flashlight, first aid kit. Yeah, I kind of like it. It's nice. It doesn't get in the way. When I'm sitting there, there's plenty of room. Yeah, I got my socks and my Crocs. Yeah, I like it. So, Datin Metal Fab, another good job. I like them. I like my shock protectors from Datin Metal Fab and my Molle panels. So thank you much. That's a super easy install. Those panels popped out really easy. Didn't need any tools, just your fingers, just nice and gentle, and it'll come right off. Lay it out, mark it with a Sharpie. Drill a starter hole, then drill your normal size hole, and screw them together. 4mm Allen wrench, 11mm socket, or any other wrench, and tighten them up, put them back in, and that's it. Load them up how you want. I like them. Keep my gear where I want it instead of all over. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a good afternoon. Take care. See ya. Bye.